Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make cover page on Microsoft Word documents. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make cover page on your Microsoft Word document, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor on the upper left corner of first line on your document. Now go to Insert tab on upper left corner and here in the left side you will find cover page. Click on cover page and you will find some built-in cover page templates, and you can download more cover page from office.com, and I am going to select a cover page from here. Now the cover page is inserted on the first page of the document, and from the second page you will find your document. Now if you want, you can edit your cover page. I am going to set the proper title of my cover page, CCNA Cookbook. And now I am going to set the subtitle, my channel name. You can also insert text on your cover page as you wish. This is the easy way to make cover page on Microsoft Word documents. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.